This is the story of how I got monetized on YouTube in just 51 days. Make sure to stay until the end because I'll share with you how I got monetized so fast and how much I actually make as a small YouTuber with less than 10,000 subscribers. If we haven't met yet, my name is Cassie Johnson. I'm a full-time Etsy seller and now Etsy coach. I started selling print on demand on Etsy in 2020 after I lost my job. And in just a little bit over 2 years, I've sold over $550,000 worth of t-shirts online. And I started this channel to teach other people how to do the exact same thing. So let's jump right in. I'm going to give you all the juicy details and break down exactly what I did to get this many subscribers. And again, I'll show you exactly how much I'm making now that I have almost 10,000 subscribers on my channel. So to start with, I'm recording this video on July 27th, 2022, and I currently have 9.29K subscribers on YouTube, which is absolutely crazy because I just started my channel on February 22nd, 2022. So it just was 5 months last week. Thank you everyone on my channel for watching so far, subscribing, and commenting happy 5-month YouTube anniversary last week. I appreciate all of you. And so I really didn't think my channel would grow this fast in such a short period of time when I started it 5 months ago. So that's why I wanted to make this video here, because I am super transparent on my channel about how much money I make on Etsy with my t-shirt business. So I wanted to also be super transparent with how much money I'm making here on my YouTube channel as well, since I am happy to say that it is now a new stream of income for me, and it really could be for you as well if you're ever interested in starting your own YouTube channel. There's 2 metrics that you have to hit on YouTube to get monetized on this platform. The first one is you need to hit 1,000 subscribers, and then after that you need to get 4,000 watch hours of watch time from your subscribers. So like I said, I started on February 22nd, 2022, and I actually got to my first 1,000 subscribers on March 30th, 2022. So just a little over a month, I finally hit that super exciting milestone. So I actually hit the 4,000 hours of watch time in 6 weeks, and that was on April 9th. So this is the day that I got the exciting email from YouTube that I could apply to their partnership program to get paid for my views. It takes a few days for that to actually go through and for you to get approved, and I actually got monetized on April 14th of 2022. And just like that, in just 51 days, I was fully monetized and ready to make money on YouTube. So I'll share with you the exciting first day. I actually made $35.33 for my views on my first day of being monetized. So that was really fun and exciting. I don't know why, but I thought it would be like a couple of dollars. So it felt really cool to have it jump up quite that high. Now this can really depend on what type of niche you're selling in. Since I sell in a business type niche where I'm suggesting people start a business, a lot of really high ticket people like to advertise on my channel and other channels like mine. So if you start your own channel about a lifestyle blog for a college dorm, then it might not actually make quite as much per view as say my channel does. So this is all just dependent on what types of people are actually advertising on your channel. So then I'll show you what I made my very first 30 days monetized on YouTube. And so I actually ended up making $1,690.91 my first 30 days, which I was just absolutely blown away by. So again, I made $35 the first day, $54, $46, $62, $78, and my highest day I made $85.26 just from people watching my content on YouTube. How crazy is that? And stay until the end and I'll give you a couple tips of what I think that I did well to actually achieve these results and how you can replicate it on your own YouTube channel. So in my second 30 days, I actually made $1,656.60. And then my third month monetized on YouTube, I actually made $1,901.19. So again, absolutely crazy. My goal when I started this channel was to be making about $2,000 on it by the end of 2020. So I really thought it was going to take me much closer to the end of the year to reach this goal. But again, I just want to take a quick moment and really thank all my subscribers so far that have been here from the very beginning. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you are enjoying this content. So now for the grand reveal. After my first 3 months monetized on YouTube, I've now made $6,066.77 from monetization. So one of the things that really helped me grow my channel was I had one of my videos go semi-viral, and that was this video right here, the 3 most profitable niches. It has over 54,000 views on it, which is just crazy, and has made me 1/6 of all of the money I've made so far on my YouTube channel. So this one at one point was getting 1,000 or 2,000 views every single day, and that has slowed down a little bit now to closer to 300, but it's still constantly getting views. So don't worry if your channel hasn't picked up just yet. It does take just one viral video to get you to where you want to be. So I've heard recently that one of the biggest reasons why some videos go viral and others don't is how many people are actually watching your video at the 30-second mark. So for this video in particular, 69% of viewers were still watching around the 30-second mark. And if you can get your videos to that point where around 70% of people are still watching 30 seconds in, then your video could potentially go viral. So now I'll give you a few of the best tips that I can to help you grow your YouTube channel if you're ever interested in starting one, and what I think really made the difference for me. So first off, if you've followed me for a while and you're on this Etsy journey with me, selling print on demand, you know that the best way to find success selling things online is to find the demand first and then give people what they want. And so that's exactly the same approach that I took with my YouTube channel. You can click on this research button here, and since most of what I teach here on my channel is about Etsy, I'll just go ahead and type in Etsy, and you can actually see exactly what people are searching for on YouTube when it comes to Etsy. So Etsy, Etsy shop for beginners, how to sell on Etsy, Etsy digital products, selling on Etsy, how to start an Etsy shop, Etsy print on demand, and so on. So this is a great place to type in different keywords and see where people just like you are having pain points and looking for videos to help them. And so this is where I start with all of my videos with my actual subscribers in mind and what they're currently searching for. One of the other really big things that I think made the difference in helping my YouTube channel grow a little bit faster and get monetized in that 51 days is I was very consistent with my posting schedule. So I posted 2 YouTube videos every single week since the week that I got started. I post all of my YouTube videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. I've not yet tried any other posting days, but that I found has worked really well for me. And just if you're curious, I post them at 9 a.m. is what I found to be a really successful time for me. But as you start your own channel, you can look through your analytics and see when your subscribers are actually watching most often. The other thing that I've had a lot of fun with and I think has really helped to grow my channel is I reply to every single comment on every single video. So this has done 2 things. It's increased the engagement on each of my videos, since sometimes I'll sit and have conversations with people, but it's also helped me grow a really great relationship with my subscribers. So if you're one of my subscribers that comments on every single video, I love you and I appreciate you. I probably can't keep up with this forever, but this has also been a really great place for me to get ideas for new YouTube videos that people are requesting. Another thing that I think has made a really big difference and helped me grow my channel a lot more quickly was getting interviewed by other people in my same niche on their YouTube channels. So I've been interviewed on the Life Hacker Couple YouTube channel, Ryan Hogue, Passive Income's YouTube channel, Brennan Dopp's YouTube channel, as well as Everbee's YouTube channel. This has helped to bring a lot of new subscribers that are already in my niche and already interested in the topic that I'm talking about to my channel. So if there's anyone you can connect in your niche, that can be a great way to get your name out there. Thank you so much for watching all the way until the end, and I just wanted to give one last shout out to all of my current subscribers that have already been supporting me, liking, commenting, and subscribing, and now would be a perfect time to go ahead and join us if you are getting value from my videos so far. And as always, I'm still offering my Etsy shop reviews and my one-on-one coaching calls. The link for those are down in the description. Happy to help however I can, and we'll see you in the next one.